Hey everybody, what's going on? Corey with Bark Tree Care here, and we've got a problem with the trailer. As you can see down here, there's supposed to be a piece that goes in there, and that is not supposed to be bent back like that. So we're gonna have to take this door off and try to repair it. Try to make another piece like this and straighten that out. All right, we used the MAP gas and we didn't get it perfect, but that's a lot closer to true. Should be close enough to work. Now we just need to make the end piece. All right, we're in the shop making a mess with the grinder. We've got our piece for our latch taking shape right here. Just got to get that ground down, and then we'll be able to weld that onto the bottom of that rod that we just straightened out, and we'll have a new latch on there. There's the factory one. And then down here is the one that I made and welded on here. And hopefully it's close enough. It is a bit wider through here. The other one is like cut here and then cut out, so this chunk is missing. As you can see right here, I just made mine come all the way down here and come out. There's plenty of clearance on the latch, so I didn't see any reason to cut out that extra material. I figured it could stay there and be extra strength, and it's less cutting and grinding for me. So let's see if it fits. Quite windy today, so I'll try to talk over the wind noise, but you can see this is the part that I had to replace right here, and I had to make this little piece that goes in there, and it seems to work just fine. So it's holding the door shut like it should. This piece up here. Now, I do need to mess with the profile of it just a little bit. It's making contact in here just a little bit early, so I'm gonna have to take out just a little bit more material right in